Dear members, first of all, on behalf of Ludhiana Management Association, I'd like to wish you a very happy and prosperous new year, that is 2014. This is our first meeting in the new year, and on this meeting, I would formally like to welcome the speaker, Dr. Mrs. Mishi Singh, an IRS officer, who is the Chief Commissioner of Income Tax, and she is posted in Ludhiana. To formally welcome, I would request Shri Ajay Chaudhary, our senior member, to present the bouquet to our guest. I would also request Madam Renuka Manjar to please welcome the guest with the floral bouquet. On this occasion, I would like to welcome the galaxy of the senior administrators from the Income Tax Department. We have with us the Commissioners of Income Tax in Mr. B.V. Nanavati. I welcome Mr. Nanavati on this occasion. I welcome Mr. Vinod Kumar, who is also a Commissioner of Income Tax. I would also like to welcome Mr. Raman Goyal and also Mr. Jagdeep Goyal, who are the Commissioner of Income Tax. And I would also like to welcome Shri H.B.S. Gill, and who is the Commissioner of Income Tax. So with these words, now we have a very important topic, which is the role of tax administration in the growth of business. Now, as you all know, tax is a very important component of one's life, and it affects not only our lives, but it affects the way we live. The competitiveness of any industry or any economy, to a very large extent, will also depend upon what is the kind of the tax administration that particular country is practicing. When I was going through the topic, I went through the details. I came to know that Kautilya in his Arthashastra wrote something very interesting about taxation. And he said that one should have a tax just like the bees, they go for the pollination on the flowers. They do take the nectar out of the flower. That doesn't harm the flower on one side. On the other side, the bee collects that particular nectar and converts that into honey, which is good for the whole mankind. So the tax administration has to be in that particular context. To deal in greater detail, we have a very competent personality with us, Madam Mishi Singh. But to know more about Madam, I would request our Secretary Programs, Shri Amit Jain ji, to please come here and introduce the speaker to you. She's going to deliver the talk on the role of tax administration in the group. And now I request Shri Amit Jain ji.
Thank you, Dr. Kapoor. Dear friends, colleagues and dignitaries on the dais and in attendance, I, Amit Jain, would like to warmly welcome you on this chilly January evening. Thank you. And I wish you all a very happy new year. While I was preparing this note, I was wondering how to start a conversation about a topic that brings mixed feelings in most of us. The Hindustan Times of today provided a very interesting cue. The BJP and Mr. Modi are mulling over a proposal to abolish income tax entirely and replace it with a tax on every bank transaction. Will this work? We don't know. What we do know that there is a serious requirement for reforms in the current tax administration. As business persons, we are all aware that revenue is required to run a country. The question is how to generate revenue while fostering growth. Our respected speaker of the day, Ms. Nishi Singh, Chief Commissioner of Income Tax for Ludhiana, has been humbly requested by LMA to share her thoughts on the very sensitive but pertinent issue. Ms. Singh, a postgraduate in history, started her career in 1979 as a probationer in the Income Tax Department. Her career path has exposed Ms. Singh to various business clusters within India. She's also been a part of the team under the Ministry of Environment that was responsible for cleanup of the Ganga and various reforestation projects. Seeing her potential, she was sent by the Government of India to attend a leadership development course at the Wharton Business School in the United States of America. She's an inspiring role model, well known for her area of work. She's a person of vision and action. Dear Ms. Singh, on behalf of LMA and all my colleagues assembled here, I extend a very warm welcome and heartfelt welcome. Thank you.
Now I'll request our guest speaker, Madam Nishi Singh, to please share her thoughts on the topic, the role of tax administration in growth of business. Madam Nishi Singh, please.